Today, we diving deep into the world of crypto staking and revealing the top 5 platforms you should have on your radar for 2026. We will be looking at their features, potential returns, and what makes them stand out from the crowd. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. First, a quick but important heads up. The crypto world is exciting but also volatile. Nothing I say today is financial advice. Always do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump right in. So, what exactly is staking? By holding and staking your coins on a blockchain network, you help secure and validate transactions. In return for your contribution, the network rewards you with more coins. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income without actively trading. The returns, often expressed as annual percentage yield or APY, can be much higher than what traditional banks offer. But with so many platforms out there, which one is right for you? That's what we're here to find out. Coming in at number 5 on our list is Binance. As one of the largest and most well-known exchanges in the world, Binance offers a massive selection of stakeable assets. Whether you're into major players like Ethereum and Cardano, or exploring smaller altcoins, there's a good chance Binance supports it. Their interface is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to get started with just a few clicks. They offer both flexible and locked staking options. Flexible staking lets you withdraw your assets anytime, offering convenience, while locked staking provides higher APYs for committing your crypto for a fixed period like 30, 60, or 90 days. The sheer variety and liquidity on Binance make it a solid and reliable choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the staking pool. Next up at number 4, we have Kraken. Kraken has built a rock-solid reputation for security and reliability over the years, making it a favorite among more cautious investors. They offer a curated but high-quality selection of assets for staking, focusing on established and promising projects. What makes Kraken stand out is its transparent and competitive staking rewards. The platform is known for its straightforward approach, with no hidden fees and clear reward structures. You can start staking with a very small amount, which lowers the barrier to entry for new users. Plus, Kraken's on-chain staking service means you redirectly participating in the network as proof-of-stake mechanism, which many purists appreciate. If security and trust are your top priorities, Kraken is definitely a platform to consider. Our number 3 pick is KuCoin, known as the People's Exchange. Their staking service, called KuCoin Earn, is a powerhouse of options. Beyond standard staking, they offer promotions, flexible savings, and other products that often boast very attractive, high-yield returns. KuCoin is particularly good for those who want to explore and find hidden gems, as they frequently list newer and smaller cap coins with high staking potential. The platform is designed to be engaging, with various campaigns and bonuses that can boost your earnings even further. If you're an adventurous staker looking for variety and high APY opportunities, KuCoin Earn is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Now, things are getting really exciting as we move to our number 2 spot, Lido Finance. Lido is a game changer, especially for Ethereum stakers. It's a liquid staking protocol. So what does that mean? Traditionally, when you stake ETH, your funds are locked up and inaccessible. Lido solves this problem. When you stake your ETH with Lido, you receive a token called STETH in return, which represents your staked amount plus any rewards. This STETH token is liquid, meaning you can trade it, use it as collateral in DeFi applications, or lend it out, all while still earning staking rewards in the background. It's like having your cake and eating it too. This innovation has made Lido one of the dominant players in the DeFi space. It's a decentralized, non-custodial solution, which means you retain control over your assets. For anyone serious about maximizing the utility of their staked assets, Lido is an absolute must-see. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our number 1 crypto staking platform for 2026 is Eigenlayer. This one might be new to some of you, but it's set to completely revolutionize the staking landscape. EigenLayer introduces a concept called restaking. It allows you to take your already staked ETH, whether it's staked directly or through a liquid staking provider like Lido, and restake it across other protocols, from oracles to bridges and more. Why would you do this? Because you earn additional rewards from these other protocols on top of your existing eBay staking rewards. You're essentially securing multiple networks with the same capital, which dramatically increases your potential yield. This concept of pooled security is incredibly powerful. It not only boosts returns for stakers, but also strengthens the entire crypto ecosystem by making it cheaper and easier for new projects to launch with robust security. EigenLayer is still evolving, but its potential to stack yields and create a new layer of economic activity is undeniable. It represents the cutting edge of staking innovation, and for that reason, it takes our top spot. So, let's do a quick recap of our top 5. At number 5, we have Binance, perfect for its huge variety and beginner-friendly interface. At number 4 is Kraken, the top choice for security-conscious investors who value trust and transparency. Coming in at number 3 is KuCoin, the explorer's paradise with a massive selection of coins and high-yield products. Our runner-up at number 2 is Lido Finance, which unlocks the liquidity of your staked assets through its brilliant liquid staking model. And our number 1 pick is EigenLayer, the future of staking with its revolutionary restaking mechanism that allows you to stack yields and maximize your returns. Choosing the right platform really depends on your personal goals and risk tolerance. Are you a beginner looking for a simple, all-in-one solution? Binance might be for you. Are you a DeFi enthusiast looking to maximize your yield and put your assets to work? Lido and EigenLayer are where the real action is. My advice is to not just stick to one. Diversifying across a few different platforms can be a smart strategy to manage risk and take advantage of different opportunities. The world of crypto is always changing, and the staking landscape of 2026 will surely have new players and innovations. That's why it's so important to stay curious, keep learning, and adapt. The platforms we discussed today are at the forefront of this evolution, offering powerful tools to help you grow your crypto portfolio passively. Remember to always check the latest APYs, understand the lockup periods, and be aware of the risks associated with each platform and asset. The most successful stakers are the ones who are well informed. That's all for today's deep dive into the top staking platforms. I hope you found this breakdown helpful and that it gives you a solid starting point for your passive income journey. What do you think of our list? Did we miss any of your favorite platforms? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one and love hearing from you all. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a huge thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have a lot more exciting crypto content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.